10 Incredible Secrets About the Dark Web. Hello and welcome to our video today on 10 incredible secrets about the dark web. The dark web is a part of the internet that is hidden and inaccessible to search engines. It is a place where people can remain anonymous and engage in illegal activities. The dark web has gained notoriety over the years, and there are many secrets that are unknown to most people. In this video, we will be revealing 10 incredible secrets about the dark web that you probably didn't know about. Fact 1. The dark web is not as big as people think. Contrary to popular belief, the dark web is not as vast as people imagine. The dark web only makes up a small percentage of the internet, and it is estimated to be around 6% of the entire internet. The rest of the internet is the surface web and is accessible through search engines. Fact 2. There is a marketplace for stolen data. The dark web is infamous for its marketplaces for illegal goods and services. One of the most popular marketplaces is for stolen data. This includes personal information such as credit card numbers, social security numbers, and even medical records. The buyers on the dark web can use this information for various illegal activities. Fact 3. The dark web has its own currency. Bitcoin is the most commonly used currency on the dark web. It is preferred because it is untraceable and can be used anonymously. Bitcoin has become the go-to currency for illegal transactions on the dark web. Fact 4. The dark web is not all illegal. While the dark web is associated with illegal activities, not everything on the dark web is illegal. There are legitimate uses for the dark web, such as whistleblowing, anonymous communication, and protecting one's identity. However, the majority of the content on the dark web is illegal. Fact 5. The dark web is heavily monitored by law enforcement. Contrary to popular belief, the dark web is not completely anonymous. Law enforcement agencies have developed sophisticated techniques to monitor the dark web and catch criminals. These techniques include tracing Bitcoin transactions, infiltrating marketplaces, and using advanced software to track users. Fact 6. You need special software to access the dark web. Accessing the dark web is not as simple as typing in a web address. You need special software, such as Tor, to access the dark web. Tor is an anonymous browser that encrypts your internet traffic and keeps you anonymous. Fact 7. You can hire a hitman on the dark web. One of the most disturbing facts about the dark web is that you can hire a hitman. There are marketplaces that offer hitman services, and it is a thriving business. However, most of these marketplaces are scams, and there is no guarantee that you will get what you paid for. Fact 8. The dark web is a hub for illegal drugs. The dark web is a hub for illegal drugs, and there are many marketplaces that specialize in selling drugs. These marketplaces offer a wide variety of drugs, and they are often cheaper than buying them on the street. However, buying drugs on the dark web is illegal, and there is a risk of getting scammed or receiving fake drugs. Fact 9. The dark web is home to some of the most disturbing content on the internet. The dark web is infamous for its disturbing content, including videos of torture, child pornography, and snuff films. These types of content are illegal, and viewing them is a criminal offense. It is important to stay away from this type of content, as it can have serious psychological effects. Fact 10. The dark web is constantly evolving. The dark web is constantly evolving, and new marketplaces and websites are popping up all the time. Law enforcement agencies are also trying to keep up with these changes to catch criminals. It is a never-ending game of cat and mouse, and it is difficult to predict what the future of the dark web will look like. And there you have it, 10 incredible secrets about the dark web that you probably didn't know about. While the dark web is fascinating in many ways, it is important to remember that it is also a dangerous place. It is best to stay away from the dark web altogether, and if you must use it for legitimate reasons, it is important to take precautions and stay safe. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new today.